Hello guys, do you know about new updates on monetization? Monetization is getting more and more difficult. One by one, more and more conditions have been actually imposed. You know the first condition was 1000 subscribers, and then in course of time second condition came. It is 4000 hours watch time in a year, and then recently third condition has been imposed, that is we have to have no community guideline strikes, no copyright strike. And just 2 or 3 days ago, another one you have seen probably, the fourth condition, you have to have your channel under two-step verification. It's important because hackers can hack your channel, and when you apply, the YouTube needs a lot of time to spend to get your channel back. So YouTube is more serious. YouTube wants you even have this two-step verification in the first place, so that the channel doesn't, get hacked, and YouTube doesn't need to spend time to fix it. I'll show you the way how you can have two-step verification. So now let's go to computer. So I first came to my channel, and then I go to monetization. There you have 37 subscribers, but 1000 subscribers are required, 4000 hours watch time in a year, and you have to have no community guidelines strike. So you have to have 0 active community guidelines strikes. And there you have it to have the two verification turn on. So I go to, and there you have to understand that the channel you are having two step verification. So I already have done this. If you have not, then you can go for process. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.